This is Tim here from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the home screen on your Android phone. So this is actually really easy to do. So over here on my Samsung, just swipe down from the top right and go to settings and then go to apps. Now depending on which brand of phone you have, it's going to be a little bit different. So I have on the left, this is the Google Pixel phone, and then the video I'm recording with is a Motorola. So I have all three phones here, the most popular ones in the United States. So if you have a Samsung, you want to scroll on down and you're looking for One UI Home. So you just scroll on down to One UI Home. So here's One UI Home. All we have to do is go to it now and then going down to storage, and we want to clear the cache and then clear the data and then delete this. Now, once you delete the data and clear it from here, if you go back to the home screen, you can see it's going to take a few seconds. And then it's going to pretty much bring it up and reset it. So on your Google Pixel phone, you're looking for the Pixel launcher. So you can just type in launcher on most brands right here, and you can see the Pixel launcher. So I have the Microsoft launcher downloaded. That's an app I downloaded. But we can go to the Pixel launcher and we can do the same thing under here. Go to storage and cache, clear the cache and clear the data. Okay? Then we can go back to the home screen and boom, it's back to normal. So on your Motorola phone, do the same thing. Just type in launcher, and you're looking for Moto App Launcher. That's the name of it. So either type in UI, it'll bring it up on your Samsung phone, or type in launcher. And you'll see the Moto App Launcher, you'll see the Microsoft Launcher, you'll see the Pixel Launcher. Just go to that and then clear the data. So that's how you do it on your Android phone. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.